Hi friends, this is Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to enable the screensaver on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to enable the screensaver your MI and Android Google TV? So for that, first of all, for an example, you just need to go to the setting option on the top. You can see, just go to the setting option on the top. After going inside the setting option, you have this option called screensaver. Just click this, so it will go inside the screensaver. It will be changes the slide of images, while you can see it will be automatically changes the images and it's go inside the screensaver. So before, if you are just talking about something, so you just need to put it your TV on screensaver. Instead of turning off the TV, you can just do this, and you can just turn this on and you can just do this. So first of all, you just go on the top of here, just click on the setting option. Near the search, go to the setting option, and then you have this option called screensaver. Just click it. I think this video had you not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.